You ever sit down at work and realize your body there, but mentally you are somewhere else completely? Because all morning your mind been running calculations. How me paying that bill? What if something else happened this month? How this salary done so fast again? And before work even properly starts, you're mentally tired already. A lot of Jamaican workers carrying pressure quietly every single day, and most people around them don't even realize it. You wake up early, rush taxi, fight traffic, reach work already drained, then the day start demanding things from you immediately. Emails, customers, deadlines, phone calls, problems, attitude, pressure. Meanwhile, your mind's still worrying about rent, groceries, loan payments, school expenses, light bill, transport money. And when money tight for too long, your brain never really gets a chance to rest properly. That's why some workers always feel exhausted now. Not lazy, exhausted. Because surviving financially every month takes emotional energy too. Here's what people don't explain though. Financial stress changes how people function mentally. When pressure stays constant, workers slowly stop operating calmly. Everything becomes reaction mode. Small things frustrate you faster, your patience shorter, you lose focus easier, you start forgetting things. Simple tasks suddenly feel heavier than normal. And sometimes you don't even realize it's happening. You just notice you're more irritated lately, your energy always low, work feels harder than before, motivation disappearing because part of your mind constantly occupied already. You're physically at work, but mentally still trying to survive outside of work. And after a while, financial pressure starts affecting performance quietly. You start making more mistakes. Your concentration weakens. You stop caring about small details. You avoid extra responsibility because mentally you're already overloaded. Even communication changes. Sometimes workers become quieter, more withdrawn, more defensive, emotionally distant. Not because they're bad workers, because stress changes behavior. And when pressure stays there long enough, burnout slowly starts building underneath everything. This is the dangerous part. A lot of workers think burnout only comes from hard work. Not true. Burnout usually comes from carrying pressure with no recovery. Work stress, money stress, life stress, repeat every day. Eventually, your mind stops feeling settled, even on weekends. And once workers stay in survival mode too long, they stop functioning intentionally. Everything becomes just get through the day. That's when motivation starts disappearing quietly. So, what actually helps? Not pretending everything okay, not fake positivity, not just work harder. Structure helps. Small structure because pressure feels heavier when everything feels mentally scattered. Start reducing mental overload first. Write things down clearly instead of carrying everything in your head. Separate important bills, urgent expenses, debt, weekly spending. Even simple organization usually reduces stress faster than people expect. And another thing, stop trying to fix your whole life in 1 month. That pressure alone burns people out even more. Focus on one area first, one improvement, one problem at a time. Sometimes the biggest win is simply feeling less mentally chaotic. This week, pay attention to how financial stress affects your behavior at work. Notice your patience, your focus, your energy, your reactions. Not to judge yourself, just to understand what's happening. Because once workers recognize the pattern, they usually stop blaming themselves for everything. Most workers don't need perfect finances first. They just need enough structure to stop living in constant mental survival mode. Financial pressure usually starts showing up in energy and focus long before anyone talks about it openly. So here's the reality: financial stress doesn't stay at home. It follows workers into focus, patience, communication, motivation, performance. And when pressure stays unmanaged too long, even good workers start feeling emotionally exhausted. But once things become more organized mentally and financially, people usually feel more stable little by little. Not perfect, just less overwhelmed. And one thing many workers don't realize is that some everyday workplace habits quietly make all this pressure even worse. Next video: the workplace habits quietly keeping you stuck. Watch that next. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.